Filmora, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Like many of you guys, I've been trying to keep in contact with my family during this pandemic, but my grandma is not sure how to reply to emails on Gmail. So that's what this video is going to be for, and I figured why only make it for her and why not share it with all of you guys as well, in case you also have elderly family members who don't know how to do this. So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so first up you're going to have to go to gmail.com and you're going to have to log in. So first thing first is you are going to put your email in this box here. I already have mine there. And then we're going to hit next. Then you'll have to put in your password. I already have mine. Hit next. And then it should log you in. Now you might have your computer already set to remember your password, which is perfectly fine. Then in that case, it should just automatically open you up to this screen that you see now. Now I'm going to open by, let me think, it would be left clicking on this. So here we have a message. Hi, how are you? Now, all you have to do is hit this button that says reply. You click it, and then you can write, let's see. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Alright. Then all you have to do is hit the send button, and then that's it. And then your message is sent, and that's it. You've done it. And well, I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motoring around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And also tell me what you guys think about these little tutorials. Tell me if you would like to have maybe some more different types of tutorials as well. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.